I would like to commend Sir Jay Quezon for this presentation because as we knew that the current results of the literacy of our people in the province of Northern Samar, inaduna po tayo sa bottom 10. And it is maraming confusion actually sa field natin ngayon as regards that functional literacy. Ang alam ng marami, sabi nila, bakit DepEd ang kanilang pinupukol? But without them knowing that this plans, no, yung ginawa ng Philippine Statistics Authority natin ay nag-focus sila sa 10 to 64-year-old. So therefore, maraming implications dyan. No? It's not only us that should do something, no, about providing the necessary interventions. So kaya po salamat na magkakaroon tayo nito sana, no, with the approval of this august body. DepEd will strongly support this one. We want to answer the gaps and provide the necessary intervention. Part of our literacy remediation program, mayroon naman tayong institutional intervention program sa DepEd. And part of that is also the enhancement of our alternative learning system. Kasi marami naman ang na-test dyan na wala na sa DepEd, di ba? Up to 64 years old. So, pinakamaganda siguro, pati na nga sa capacity building ng teachers natin, particularly sa ARS, marami yung magagawa po tayo doon with the support ng OQP and provincial government. Thank you.
Just a rejoinder to SDS, the growth of children, the food security, the agriculture sector in terms of food preparation.
Barangays, schoolless barangays. In fact, I am awaiting sana yung pinag-usapan natin early on, bago pa lang ako dito, yung tungkol sa San Dino Lobos, hardly reached barangays, wala talagang mga school po doon. Good na lang na ngayon may additional tayo sa San Dino Lobos na isang eskwelahan. That is secondary school. And I am happy to inform you, we already have one approved additional secondary school in San Dino Lobos, Kabungaan National High School. So yun po yung dagdag natin. At natutuwa ko, early this morning, nalaman ko na mayroon tayo at least 300 school children, secondary school children ang enrolled ngayon doon. And we will be providing teachers now doon sa school na yun. Kaya dito rin sa Allen, I was surprised na mayroon pala mga barangay din sa Allen na walang school. Yes, during our convergence with the COMELEC, it was mentioned na may dalawang barangay na wala pang school. Kaya we are also committed, sir, this one, na natin dagdagan yung mga school openings natin. And along with that, of course, ang implication yan is on infrastructure provision and development. Siyempre, kung magkakaroon ka ng additional school, additional budget yan para sa school building. Kasi yun talaga ang umpisa na requirement. At ang lote na kinakailangan may mga mag-donate pa lang, particularly sa mga local government units natin, kung meron ng mga land that we provided, we can actually recommend to our regional director the opening of these schools para masagot natin yung mga gaps na ito. Kasi kasama yan dyan sa report na yan, sa functional literacy natin. So, thank you po.